If your YouTube TV app feels slow, lags when opening menus, or takes too long to respond to commands, it's usually caused by memory overload, outdated software, or network issues. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Restart the YouTube TV app on mobile devices. Swipe it away from the recent apps list. On smart TVs, Roku, or Fire Stick, fully exit the app and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches and improves overall speed. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, or streaming device. Wait about 10 seconds, then power it back on. A fresh reboot clears memory and helps the app respond faster. Step 3. Improve your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can make YouTube TV menus lag and slow down playback. Move closer to your router, switch to a 5 GHz network, or use an Ethernet cable if possible. A stronger connection results in smoother navigation. Step 4. Clear the app cache, depending on your device. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete the YouTube TV app and reinstall it to reset all data. Clearing the cache removes corrupted temporary files that slow the app down. Step 5. Update the app and device software. Check for updates in the App Store on your device. Also, update the device's system software. Outdated versions often cause lag, freezing, and slow response times. Step 6. Close background apps. Make sure other apps aren't running in the background. Too many open apps can drain system resources and slow down YouTube TV. Following these steps will make the YouTube TV app run much faster and smoother. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.